Hello dear Capricorn, welcome back to my channel, and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're new to my channel, welcome, you know the drill. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can know about your next week in advance. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your love life, you've got the 5 of stars and the 4 of suns. This shows me that you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Capricorn or Sagittarius Sun Moon rising, or you could have Aquarius, Capricorn or Sagittarius Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. You're already a Capricorn, right? I do see that someone left you, hurt you, abandoned you, like you had a breakup or a separation with somebody. I do see that the chances of reconciliation are very high in the last week. Okay, the 4th week that we are talking about. I do see that if your families were not agreeing to your marriage, now they will agree, because I do see a happy home here. If you were married and your peace was disrupted, it's going to come back, because I do see a happy, peaceful home right now. And if you're single and you had relationship problems with your own mother, father, siblings, then that is also going to resolve for a lot of you. No matter if you're relationship, situationship or married, this is going to be a very good week for you. In terms of love or in terms of general personal relationships, everything is going to get improved. And if you were on and off with somebody is going to come back around. And I also see a lot of you making things official. So if you have been planning to introduce your partner to your family or friends, you might do that this week as well, or your partner might introduce you to their family and friends. I also see you both will be meeting each other's family and friends, making things official. So it's like a union, a happy home. You could be attending a lot of events or reunions as well, like a school reunion, office reunion. It also could be that you're meeting relatives, or doing a lot of community or charity work also. It could be that also, but I do see that you're being more social than normal days this week. Let's see what's happening in your career now. You've got the 9 of Moons and the Hermit card. Hermit card is also a 9 number, and 9 of Moons is also a 9 number. So you could be seeing 99 a lot. Please do Google the meaning of 99, especially in your career. I do see that you're hoping for some sort of celebration or promotion or new job or profit coming your way. But unfortunately, this week you will be faced with a truth, a reality which probably was hidden before regarding your work-life situation. It can be your job, your business. Now that truth will be revealing itself, which might make you question your decisions again. Which means if you were planning to start a business partnership with somebody, some truth will be revealed that you will think twice before doing this now, because maybe there's something about this person, maybe there's something about the contract, the deal. So please make sure, if you're signing a new contract, if you're making a new deal, if you're starting a new business, joining a new job, you are well aware of all the contracts, the terms and the conditions, right? Even if there is a disclaimer, please make sure that you're aware of it. Otherwise you can get disheartened, because the opportunity might not be as good as you expected it to be, or it might just make you feel stuck in some way. So please make sure to read between the lines, ask as many questions as possible before taking up that new role. Okay, that will be very beneficial for you. And I also see that you're isolating yourself from the world, because probably you have realized that people around you are not very trustworthy. So if you are so if you are asking a lot of people, like friends and family, tell me, should I do this, should I do that, I'm confused, what should I do? This is the time when you need to listen to your intuition. With this Hermit, you know that he's going deep within, he's asking himself a lot of questions, he's relying on himself. So you also need to do that. You have to go into that Hermit mode, isolate yourself from the world, ask yourself more questions, rely on yourself more, listen to your intuition, and you will automatically get the right answers. Okay, this week looks good. If I see it overall, nothing major or scary is happening, but yes, you need to rely on yourself, your intuition. You need to read documents. Caution is there, which you need to do this week, and otherwise also in general, Capricorns, and that goes for all the signs for that matter, that you have to be cautious, right? Whenever you're reading the document, starting something new, you have to make sure that you know everything and you're not being defrauded or getting stuck in any way. So please make sure you do that. Family situation looks good, and this week also looks good, provided you're reading the documents properly and doing your background check well. Okay, so this was your reading. If you resonated with this, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what's exactly happening in your life. I will be reading it, replying it and liking it as well. And yes, I take personal readings as well. So if you would like to book any personal reading, if this was a general reading, it did not cover all your questions, you have certain questions on your mind, feel free to ask me in the personal reading. I do have special love readings, oracle love reading for special no contact people, and I've got different reading for anyone who is interested in knowing their connection better, which is called a Mystic Red Rose love reading. Apart from that, I have packages available. For example, if you have more questions and you also feel blocked in that area, if you're still single, if your love life is complicated, if your career is stuck, or if you have met a new person, you don't want to waste time, you have multiple questions whether they are the one or not, how do they feel towards me, these multiple questions will be covered in the packages. Plus you will get a free remedy also on how to remove these blockages that are making you feel stuck. And lastly, I do remedies as well and spiritual counseling sessions as well, right? So I have a blockage removal remedy, which is a ritual, and I have a bay leaf manifestation ritual. Then I have spiritual counseling sessions. So if you think you are blocked, stuck, you need to speak to someone, you need to feel light, something is burdening you or eating you up from the inside, you can always come to me, judgment free. You can talk to me, no judgment at all. I will be listening to your problems, guiding you out of them, and with the help of your angels, I am going to give you a remedy here as well. So please go ahead and book through my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Okay, I will give you all the details, and please guys also follow me on Instagram, because I post all these details on a daily basis. And on my Instagram, the prices are also available. The different range of prices for different budgets are mentioned over there in my stories and my pinned posts as well. Okay, so take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.